stop scrolling because this new Grok AI feature is about to blow your mind. Imagine generating beautiful, premium quality videos with just one prompt. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open your dashboard and look to the left side. There you'll see the Imagine option. Click on it. Now, instead of choosing a ready-made template, go straight to the prompt section. This is where the real magic happens. Before entering your prompt, make sure you select the correct format. You can switch between video or image mode, and you can adjust the aspect ratio for vertical or horizontal formats. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. Now it's time to paste your creative idea. For example, generate a cute and luxurious 6-second video of a stylish ginger cat wearing a tiny scarf, carrying a small wooden basket full of soft, plush baby dolls. As the cat walks proudly, like a hero, the basket jiggles and the plushies giggle. Make the environment bright, modern, safe, and cinematic with premium colors. Once everything is set, hit submit and wait a few seconds. And boom, your premium AI-generated video appears. Ready to download and use. Incredible, right? If you want more prompts, ideas, or guidance to create viral AI videos like this, make sure you follow and stay tuned.